guys, it's Ray, and I am going to be doing a soft glam today on acne prone skin. So the first thing I'm going to do, I already prepped my skin. I just used beef tallow. I'm kind of having a breakout right now. This is not the worst it's been. It has been worse. Human beings get acne. Nobody's perfect. I'm going to go in with the Haus Labs concealer. Now that that is blended in, I'm going to go ahead and set it with some powder. I'm going to go in with my Nude Ambition palette by Morphe. My daughter got to it, so it's a little messy. So I'm going to go in with Headline Nude, which is this very light shade right here. And just take a little tap in the excess, and you're going to go into your crease, and you're going to swish back and forth. And I kind of make this like swish look right there. I'm going to go in with this brush. I'm going to go in with the next darkest shade, which is in the flesh. Take a little on the tip. And then you're going to start creating a little depth. Bring it all the way across to the inner corner. And then into the out. Now, with that same kind of brush, flick off any excess. So go in with all access, just this one right here. And then you're going to pat that in right there. Blendy brush again. Clean. I'm going to take sheer Genius and pat that right at the top, just to blend it out. Just kind of marry everything, just like that. That's it. I'm going to put some concealer. I'm going to take a brush. I use an angled brush because I feel like it's easier. Some people use the flat one, whatever you can. And then you're going to start coloring your eye. I'm going to go ahead and set it with a flat head brush. I'm going to be using this Untouchable. I'm going to pack it on a flat brush. Tap any excess and just pat that on. A clean blending brush and just soften it up. Get an angled brush. I'm going to go in with Naked Eye. Create a wing. I like to follow my actual lash line. I'm going to go in with the Lights Off gel liner, or you can use liquid liner. I like going with gel, and just darken up your wing. And then it might be weird, but I actually set the gel liner, and then I kind of just drag whatever's on there. And I'm using FanFest by Benefit. I really like this formula. I think I have to buy more though, because I use it all the time. I think I'm running low. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my other side. I'm also using the Haus Labs, oh gosh, I'm terrible. Haus Labs, I do like one pump. One pump's usually enough for me, and I go with my finger, my ring finger, and there's just something about finger patting foundation in that just gives it a more natural look. Tiny bit of concealer. A brush, I feather it out. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty setting powder, and I go like this just so I don't crease. Makeup Revolution, and it's a little blush kit. Oh my gosh, why did I have trouble saying that? I'm going to go with this little pinky color right here. It's like a pinkish, nudish color. You're going to hear my son in the background. Give Me Mocha. I'm actually going to go on my Dior Backstage eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this highlighter color right here. Make It Last Original. Gloss, no gloss. Let's see it with a gloss. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.